Severe thunderstorm warning for east central Clay County in northwestern Minnesota, northwestern Otter County, southwestern Becker County in northwestern Minnesota until 3 a.m. At 1:56 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Lake Park, or 13 miles west of Detroit Lakes, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, apostolic size scale. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Comore Park, Shoreham, Danvilla, Burgess, and Lake Laya. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Finish, man.